Everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are having trouble with the error code 50352 in Modern Warfare game, don't worry about it. I have some tips to fix this problem, so watch the video till the end. Before fixing the error, try a simple method to fix the error. Change the language of the Modern Warfare and check the error. If it is working for you, then good, otherwise move to the next solution. Solution number 1. Restart the game. Sometimes error like 50352 Modern Warfare can be the temporary glitches. Simply restarting the game maybe resolve the issue. Clear the cache. Clearing the cache on your gaming platform can be helping eliminate any corrupt or outdated file that might be the causing the error. This process varies depending on your platform like PC, Xbox or PlayStation, so refer to the specific instructions for your device. Check for the update. Ensure that your game is up to date. Developers often release the patches and update to fix the bugs and improve performance. Even if you are recently updated the game, check for new updates as they might be contain a fix for the error. Solution for reinstall Modern Warfare 3. The last solution is uninstall the game, restart your system and then reinstall the latest version. This process may take some time due to the large downloaded file, but it can be often resolve the process issue like error code 50352. If none of the solution working for you, then contact the Modern Warfare support team and follow the instructions. I hope this video is useful for you and try to fix your problem. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.